What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be disassembling this valve cover again because I have a pretty good feeling that the back of the cover over there is probably either cracked or warped. I can't really tell exactly what the problem is. Camera or any other thing doesn't really help, but kind of right over there, there's a couple marks. In the back over there, you can't really see it, but yeah, that's most likely what the problem is. So let's get all this stuff off, let's get all the wiring out, let's see if we can figure out why this valve cover is leaking. I can't visually it's cracked right there. No way. You can literally see it right there. There, right there, right there. Hold on, let me turn on this. Wait a minute. Dude, you can see it right there. Right there. Wait, let me just zoom in. Boom. Valve cover, cracked. Needs a new valve cover. Bro, don't even need to... Oh my God, don't even need to disassemble anything. It's cracked. Wow, unbelievable, that's crazy. Yo, dude, I was literally ready to start taking all of this, like putting all the tools together, got the gloves, blah, 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 this and that. I was about to take this out, everything. I was literally ready to do it all. Unbelievable. Oh my, guys, you have no idea how shook I am. Like, literally, you have no freaking idea. Unbelievable. Dude. What? Yo, you guys have no idea. I was like, right now it's like 6 p.m. and I was literally ready to commit like 3-4 hours, whatever like time it takes to disassemble this whole entire thing, because it's hard to do it. It's not easy. You guys saw in the previous video, like, it is difficult to do it. Unbelievable. I was literally ready to like take it all apart and leave it like taken apart, and then tomorrow, the next day, find out what the problem is, like, well, today basically, find out what the problem is, and then tomorrow get the parts to replace whatever it is. Unbelievable. It's freaking cracked. You can literally see it right there. How did we miss it the last time? Oh my God, unbelievable. Yeah, and you can see it. It's cracked right there, and that's where the oil is leaking. Oh my God, unbelievable right now, bro. Bro, this is unbelievable. Look at this. You can literally freaking see it right there. Oh my God, hold on. There, boom. Right there. Cracked. You can see it right there. Unbelievable. And look at all that oil pooling over there. Look at that. Look at that oil. Dude, this is crazy. Oh my God, no wonder it's burning. I need a new valve cover. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Unbelievable. This is literally my luck. Look, like, this is bad luck. This is actually bad luck because I gotta replace the valve cover, whatever. But this is such good luck to be able to just do diagnostics like this and verify. Boom, cracked. Oh my God. Yo, you guys have no idea how happy I am right now. Like, I'm beyond happy because I don't have to disassemble this like crazy and then reassemble it, you name it, this, that, blah, 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 all this crazy stuff. Oh my God. This takes away so much stress because now I know what the problem is. I can get the part, take it all apart, replace the part, boom, that's it, we're good. Wow. Okay, guys, without further ado, we are gonna finish this video because there's literally nothing else to do. I don't have to disassemble anything today. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. We are gonna go get that valve cover and we are gonna get this replaced in tomorrow's video. Thank you all for watching so much. I know this is such a stupid and short video, but I am just absolutely blown away. Like, you know, sometimes you're just like doing some sort of diagnostics and you're like, oh, you know, what is the problem? I can't figure it out. And it takes you like such a long time to figure it out, especially if it's somewhere like kind of hidden behind there, this, that. And I literally just said, you know what? Maybe I should just kind of visually like check and see if it's like damaged anywhere. Boom, boom, with the flashlight and freaking using your eyes. cracked right there, like right there. It's cracked right there. Unbelievable, bro. Okay, guys, that's it. There's nothing else here. We're gonna put all the tools away. That's it. Engine, cover, close, and we're out of here. There's nothing else to it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. We are gonna get that cover, and in the next video, you guys will see me replacing it. I love y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.